afternoon and welcome back to my channel. This is the follow-up video for the PC repair. So if you remember from the last video, I said as soon as the graphics card arrived and I was able to fit it, I'd do a follow-up video. So here it is. I ordered it from eBay. It got delivered actually beginning this week. We're now on the Saturday. So I finally got round to be able to do the repair. So don't worry about the address on there. It's not my address, it's the address of the local Argos where I had it sent to. So anyway, we'll get it unboxed. I got my trusty Stanley knife, so we'll get this opened up. So hopefully it's what I've ordered. So you need to be careful. The Stanley knife blades are quite sharp. So just carefully open it up. And see what's inside. Everything's well wrapped. And just carefully cut that parcel tape. The beginning of August, so I can't say it's like Christmas. And actually, I had my birthday not so long ago. So, not really a birthday present because it's not for me. So get this little bubble wrap off, and here we go. That's the graphics card. It looks to be okay, and a bit different, but it's basically the same chipset, the HD6950. So right now we've got it unwrapped. We'll go around next door. Because next door is my partner's youngest daughter, and it's her son's PC. So we'll get that done. Okay, so we're back at the PC, Ethan's PC. So I'll just get this cover off. Just remember it's easy to do, and disconnect the case fan. Right, and we'll get this graphics card installed. I'll just get everything in place. Sorry for me, I'm getting in the way. It's a bit hard to do these when you try to get around the camera. Right, well, we don't know why the previous card decided to destroy itself, but as a precaution I've got some contact spray, so I'll spray the PCI Express connector, and I'll do the same on the card. Just quick floss on either side, and hopefully that should prevent any problems. Now there's this connector for the fan, the CPU fan, so I just need to make sure that runs underneath the graphics card, and we'll just get this graphics card in. So that's got it. See if I've got this wire foot fan trapped. Free that off and then get the screws back in. And as usual, I managed to drop a screw. I'll just take that out. to retrieve that screw because I don't know where it's got to. Right, I'm going to have to stop the camera. Well, I found the screw. It actually ended up lodged in the graphics card, so right, we will try again. This time make sure I don't trap the wires. The wire to the fan on the, and the wire to the processor fan. Okay, so back to where we were before, and this time try not to drop the screw. That one started, but the other one started. Right, now we need to plug in the connectors for the graphics card, which will be these two, and these only go in one way, so that must be that one. Right, try and get it the right way around. So that's one, and this will be the other. And that is the graphics card installed. Just plug in the case fan. So that's the installation of the card done. Right, time for the moment of truth. Let's see if this works. There's power to it, yep. So we're looking good. So I'll wait until we get into Windows, I'll skip this bit. Okay, so we're up and running, and there we go. It's picked up the graphics card. So we're all good. And that basically wraps it up for this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Please don't forget to comment, and any questions, you know what to do. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.